Here's how to connect a Wi-Fi extender to your Starlink router, whether you're using official mesh nodes or a third-party extender. First, make sure your Starlink router is powered on and broadcasting Wi-Fi. Confirm that your phone or laptop can connect to the internet through it before adding anything. If you're using official Starlink mesh nodes, plug each node into a power outlet. Open the Starlink app while connected to your Wi-Fi. You should see a prompt that a new mesh node is available. Tap Pair and wait a few minutes while it joins the network. Once it appears as online in the app, it's active. For best performance, place mesh nodes 1 to 2 rooms away from the main router, not too close, not too far. If you're using a third-party Wi-Fi extender, plug it in near the Starlink router first. If it supports Ethernet backhaul, connect an Ethernet cable from the router to the extender for the most stable connection. Otherwise, set it up in wireless repeater mode. Open the extender's setup app or web interface, choose Add Device or Range Extender, and follow the instructions. Connect your phone to the extender's temporary setup network, then select your Starlink Wi-Fi and enter the password. After setup completes, move the extender to a midpoint between the router and the weak signal area, avoiding thick walls and metal obstructions. If you restart your system later, always power on the Starlink router first, then the extender.